We will learn how to make dynamic text box. Make a composition. Add gradient as a background. You can use any color you wish. I will type something. Add set channel effect to text layer. Add fill to the text layer. We will change the color of box with this fill color. Add CC composite effect on the text layer. This will bring back the original text. Now, if I type something other, the box will resize itself to fit the text. There's one thing though. We need to extend the box a little, or some more. So, we will add blur on top of every effects. Increase the blur amount, and the box size will be increased. You can separately increase the box size horizontally, or vertically by duplicating the blur effect. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.